Hello dear students, welcome to Rishikul Online School. Let's continue chapter number 7 of Geography, in which we are discussing about major industries. This is the second module of the chapter, and in this module we shall study about the main factors affecting location of the industries. So the main factors which affect the location of an industry are raw material, power, land, transport, labor, capital, market, communication, etc. So let's discuss about them in detail one by one. Land. Plain areas are always preferred to set up industries. This is because huge area that is needed to build factories and construction is easy and cheap on the plain as compared to hills or mountains. Nowadays, big industries are set up away from the cities because outside the city, cost of the land that is comparatively low. Water. Water is required in industries in abundance. Therefore, many industries are located near the water resources. Water that is required as coolant in different industries. It is also used to clean various products. Next, labor. Generally, skilled and unskilled labor that is required in the industries. The development of an industry that depends on the continuous supply of both skilled and unskilled laborers. Industries located in populated areas do not have to face any problem regarding labor supply, but sparsely populated areas have such type of problem. Next one is power. Power and energy resources, they should be in abundance as their proper availability that is essential for the smooth running of an industry. Coal, petroleum and electricity, they are the main sources of power for industries. Most of the industries are located in the vicinity of these resources. Capital. A large amount of capital that is required to set up an industry. Thus, to establish an industry, a person or an organization should have enough funds to invest. A large number of banks provide loan, especially at low interest rate, to start an industry. In this way, banks are also directly or indirectly supporting the government or private companies to set up industries. Transport. Transport facility is also required for both the raw materials and the final products. Thus, an industry should be set up in an area that has dense and developed network of transport. The site should have well-maintained roads, railways, airways and waterways. Market is also essential to know the demand and supply of the products. It is needed to sell the manufactured products. This market should be accessible to the producers and consumers. A good market increases sellability of the product and provide huge profit. Communication. An industry should have a well-developed communication system. A well-developed communication system makes an industrialist aware about the taxes, subsidies and other required and important information. When we talk about an industrial system, it consists of inputs as raw materials, processing of raw materials and output as finished products or goods. Inputs example are dye, cotton, needles, buttons, thread, etc. Processing, folding, packing, dyeing, stitching, cutting, etc. Output that is in the form of shirts, trousers, profits, offcuts, etc. Industrial regions. An industry that is often established in close proximity to other industries to play a complementary as well as cooperative roles for taking advantages of the facilities available in that region. A region where many industries are based, that is called an industrial region. Apart from this, a number of other factors also have a great influence on setting up of industries in a particular region. The Government of India has introduced special economic zones, that is SEZ, for setting up of industries in 2000. In these zones, special facilities such as concession and certain environment for understanding exports are provided. At the world level, there are four major industrial regions, and they are eastern part of North America, Western and Central Europe, Eastern Europe and Eastern Asia. So dear children, this is all about this module. We shall continue the chapter with the next module.